So in order to access your Google My Business account through API, let's understand how this process works out. You go to Google, you search about Google My Business API. The first result which is being shown to you is Google My Business API by Google developers. You click on this thing and you would be directed towards the Google My Business API web page. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see the Get Started button. You click on this particular link and then you would be directed towards the guides, references, samples and the support. The important thing which you need to consider here is that on the left hand side, you are seeing certain sections. You have a Get Started sections where the prerequisites are mentioned. In order to access this API, in order to access your Google My Business account through an API, you need to satisfy certain conditions. The conditions are listed here. It says that you need to have a Google account, you need to have a Google My Business account, you need to have a Google Cloud account, as well as you need to submit one Google form in order to access this particular API. So if you have logged in your Google Cloud account for the first time, this is how the screen would look like. Let's start by creating one particular project. Let's say I have to create one project here. I would say uh, Google My Business. I would say no organization. I will create this project here and the project will be created. It will take some time. So we have created one project called Google My Business. Now let's go to the APIs and services. In this thing, you will go to library section and let's search about Google My Business. If you search about a Google My Business API here, you won't be able to see any kind of an API option pertaining to Google My Business available here because your project has not been approved by Google My Business team. And once they approve your project, the Google My Business, once you search about the Google My Business API in this particular search bar, the API thing will start appearing here. Since Google My Business API is not appearing here, let's go back to the prerequisite section. It says that once it is being approved, then only you will be able to see the Google My Business API enabled in your library section. So what are the things which are required from the Google Cloud account? You would require a project ID as well as the project name, which would be required in order to furnish that Google form. So let's go to the Google Cloud account. Click on the three dots here and you will be directed towards the project settings. And in the project settings, you will be seeing the project name, the project ID, and the project number. Please note down these three details as these details would be required in order to fill out that Google project form. So let's start with filling up this Google My Business API application form. Please read all the instructions which are mentioned here. It takes around 2 weeks from the Google My Business API team to take a action on your this form. In my scenario, this form application as well as the approval from the Google My Business API team came within a day. So let's start here. Read all the instructions here. Click next. This form is divided into 8 different sections. So it is asking about the project ID. Let's take the project ID from here. By filling up the project ID here, the project number, this project number is here. Your account, for example, I would say my account is this. Now the company name, we would say that ABC Incorporation, whatever the name of your company is. You mention the company website, abc.inc, company headquarters, I would say ABC XYZ India. Company headquarters, Google Map listing, we would say g.page or ABC. Your name, I would say 100 marks. Your email ID, um, in order to for communications from the GMB API team. I would say hello at the rate 100 marks dot in. Please note that you need to fill the exact information. I'm just putting out here the sample values so that you can understand here. Um, if you have any account manager, Google Strategic Partner Manager, account manager, please fill out the Gmail ID. If no, then please fill any here. Click next. Um, how would you best categorize your company? Suppose you are running a pizza outlet or pizza, uh, I would say a local business, then click on the local business. If you are running some agency where you are operating the client accounts, then you select the third party or reseller agency. In my scenario, I select a local business. I click next. How do you describe your business? Whether you are a small or medium business who have a business location less than 10, or if you are a chain, for example, you are running a pizza outlets, then you can select the chain. In my scenario, I select a small or medium business. Do you currently manage locations in the Google My Business? If you have a Google My Business account, definitely you need to say yes. If no, then I would say that please create first a Google My Business account and then only you select yes. If yes, please provide the verified Google account associated with your location. I would say that my account is associated with this particular email ID. You can provide your email ID which is being associated with your Google My Business account. Please describe how you plan to use the GMB API. There are multiple use cases of using this GMB API, whether you want to um, see your reviews, reply to your reviews, you want to create a post, or you want to have an access of how your Google account looks like, you want to make some kind of a modification, then definitely you need to mention certain reasons. I would say ABC. It all depends upon your requirement. Click next. What type of location management application do you have? If you plan to have a desktop application, then select a desktop, mobile. I would say the both, through which this particular API will be accessed. So in my scenario, I say both. What features of the Google My Business API do you plan to use? You need to specify whether you want a location management part or a review management part. In my scenario, I would say both. What programming language do you plan to use on using to develop your application? I would say you would use in JavaScript. Which other networks does your platform publish location information to? I would say Facebook, Bing, and that's it. How is your location management application used? The application is only used internally. Um, so I plan to use it internally. If you satisfy this second condition, definitely you need to select this one. And please confirm that you have read and agreed to GMB API policy. If you click on this thing, you will be directed towards these Google My Business API policy. Please do read this Google My Business API policy. And these are the very critical terms which you need to adhere to in order to access this particular API. One thing I've read this thing here is that I need to say, yeah. So Google may deactivate your API project ID after 90 consecutive days of inactivity. So if you're not accessing your API consecutively for 90 days, Google My Business API team might disable this thing. So please, if you're applying for Google My Business API, please make a call so that you don't surpass this condition. Otherwise, your project will be deactivated, and then again you need to reapply. And reapplication form is the same one which you have filled it right now. And once you click submit, your application form will be submitted. In my scenario, I'm not submitting this form because this is all the garbage data which I have filled out. Please fill out the genuine information, the correct information, so that your application get approved by the GMB API team. And after filling up the Google My Business API application form, you will be receiving one mail from Google My Business API team. where they would be asking whether you have filled out this application form or not. You need to provide a reply to this particular mail, and you need to say, yes, I confirm that I have filled out the Google My Business API request application form. Once you send out this reply, then only the approval process would start. After your mail, Google My Business API team will evaluate the complete application form details, and they will verify whether you satisfy their criteria or not. If you satisfy their criteria and you are eligible enough to have an API access, then you will receive a congratulatory mail from a Google My Business API team, where they will be saying that they have enabled the Google My Business API team in your Google Cloud account, and you can see that Google My Business API in your library section, and you can proceed forward. Please review their policy and please adhere to that particular policy. And if okay. Now, if you do a search about Google My Business in the Google Cloud account, you will see Google My Business API enabled in your particular project. Now, click on this Google My Business API. In my scenario, I've already enabled the API, but in your case, instead of a manage thing, you will see an enable button. Once you click the enable button, you will see that this is how the manage would look like, and you will see the API has been enabled.